Hi guys, so this is Andrew from Total Window Service, and my next video is gonna be about the chemical or acid wash window cleaning. And this building behind me is right now getting really nice, good scrubbing and chemical cleaning, right? So it's been a while since this building has been cleaned, and there's a lot of hard water stain build up on the glass, and the owners requested acid wash and to do some kind of better cleaning since it haven't been cleaned for a while. All right, so now I am on the roof, and we can see how the guys are doing preparation for the drop. Alright, so right now I am inside the building, and this is the other part of the building that needs to be cleaned. So we're gonna have to clean this whole windows from inside. It's not easy to access this, but we can do it. Okay, so on this area of the cleaning we have a very difficult rigging, and it's gonna be very hard to get there. That's why we have a professional who is trained to do a job like that, and he's setting up the ropes. We have a safety line over here going across the entire structure, and we're gonna be accessing that window from this peak. So the guy's gonna have to walk with the safety line all the way to their drops over here. They're starting in the further away. It's the most probably difficult corner, and then they're gonna finish up over here. It's not too far to to get on the window. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe.